I am writing to you today not just as a political opponent, but as a Zimbabwean deeply concerned about the trajectory of our nation. The current political turmoil within ZANU-PF, with your name at the center, is a spectacle that further alienates an already suffering populace. Izadabena Mashoko in open letter to Kuda Tagwirei, it is a plea for grassroots focus and unifying leadership. Lolo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina munauzere news by Tumudanyo Kwamchinza. However, within this crisis lies a critical lesson and an opportunity for you. Your well-documented social contributions reveal a potential path to a different kind of politics, one that this letter implores you to take, the path of social good and a genuine grassroots connection as the only true foundation of legitimate political power. The public factional battles within ZANU-PF, particularly concerning the 2030 agenda, have placed you in a precarious position. Your rapid political ascent culminating in a controversial co-option to the Central Committee, followed by a very public ejection, exposes a fundamental truth that you must heed. Political power cannot be coped or consolidated solely in the Central Committee or a Politburo. The reliance on elite level maneuvering is your greatest weakness. It ties your image to constitutional crisis and internal power struggles, reinforcing a public perception that your sponsorships are a means of image cleansing rather than genuine philanthropy. When citizens see hospitals without drugs and pensions rendered worthless, high-profile sponsorship can be interpreted as a cynical attempt to secure political protection. This stains your image and undermines your newfound political ambitions before they can even take root. The people of Zimbabwe are exhausted. The recent protests and the general public disillusionment are not endorsements of any faction. They are a cry for leadership that prioritizes their welfare over party politics. Real sustainable power is not decreed in a committee room. It is earned street by street, community by community, through consistent and tangible service. The future of Zimbabwe will be built by those who win the hearts and minds of the people through service, integrity, and a clear commitment to the common good. I urge you to choose that path in the service of Zimbabwe. Linda Sungirirai Masarira, lead president. Domash Baruda Pangwa in open letter kuna Kuda Tagwirei. Tudze mafunguro enyu motukudipa msoro pechitiko ichi netsamba yenyu kwa Tagwirei. Bina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like. On the bell icon.